Survival in numbers. Thousands of tons of sardines create a defensive masterpiece against the deep sea.
High-tech predators. These ships are floating factories designed to track, catch, and preserve the harvest instantly.
Detection. Multi-beam sonar identifies the biomass and depth of the sardine school with surgical precision.
Confirmed. Hold position and track the target.
Target locked. The bridge coordinates with the skiff boat to begin the encirclement.
Deployment. The seine net begins its 500-meter journey around the sardine school. The trap is set. A wall of nylon and lead weights drops deep into the dark blue.
Encirclement complete. The purse line is pulled, closing the bottom of the net like a giant drawstring bag.
Mechanical force. Tons of tension are applied to haul the sardine harvest toward the hull.
The silver storm. The density of the catch creates a frantic, shimmering spectacle of motion.
Damage-free transport. The vacuum system moves 50 tons of fish per hour without bruising the delicate skin.
Separation. The seawater returns to the ocean, while the sardines are diverted into the cooling holds.
Instant preservation. Sub-zero slurry ice drops the core temperature of the sardines to 0 C in seconds.
Quality lock. Immediate cooling is the only way to maintain the industrial grade required for canning.
Real-time monitoring. Every tank is a controlled environment to ensure the harvest remains pristine.
The race against time. The ship must reach the processing plant while the fish are at peak quality. Port logistics. Direct suction transfer from ship to factory ensures the one flow is never broken. Massive throughput. Thousands of fish per second enter the industrial processing zone.
Calibration. Only fish of uniform size can enter the high-speed automated canning lines.
Zero waste. Smaller fish are diverted to produce high-protein fish oil and animal nutrition.
Purification. High-pressure water removes the silver scales, preparing the skin for the canning process.
Precision cutting. High-speed blades remove the head and viscera in a single surgical movement. Flavor infusion. The brine firms the flesh and begins the seasoning process for the final product. Aesthetic precision. The classic sardine look is achieved through advanced computer vision. Liquid gold. Premium oils or tomato sauces are injected at high pressure to fill every void. Hermetic sealing. The seamer creates a double-fold lock that is 100% airtight and tamper-proof. Industrial hygiene. Every can must be spotless before entering the final cooking phase.
The retour. This is where the sardines are cooked and sterilized inside the sealed cans.
High-pressure cooking. Temperatures exceed 120 Celsius, softening the bones and killing all bacteria.
Sterilization complete. The sardines now have a shelf life of over 5 years. Rapid cooling. Stopping the heat prevents the fish from becoming too soft, maintaining texture.
Quality assurance. Every batch is tested for structural integrity and biological safety.
The perfect result. Firm flesh, bright color, and a rich, savory aroma. Final branding. The sardine harvest is now a global commodity, ready for retail. Automated packaging. Human hands never touch the product from the sea to the box.
Scale of distribution. Millions of cans are shipped every month to markets around the world. From the depths of the ocean to the shelves of the world, the one flow of the sardine harvest.
Maintenance of the fleet. Even the massive nets are serviced with robotic precision.
Absolute sanitation. Between every voyage, the ship is sterilized to pharmaceutical standards.
The liquid gold. Sardine oil is one of the world's richest sources of EPA and DHA omega-3s.
Full utilization. Every part of the sardine that isn't canned becomes fertilizer or feed. Refueling for the hunt. Fresh ice is the lifeblood of the sardine fishing fleet. Strategic planning. Following the currents and temperatures to find the next silver storm. Night operations. Sardines are attracted to intense light, making them easier to concentrate. The lure. High-intensity lighting mimics the moon, drawing the fish into the catch zone.
Maximum efficiency. A single lift can capture enough fish to fill 10,000 cans.
Consumer safety. X-ray technology ensures that zero contaminants enter the canning line.
Laser precision. Every cut is measured to within 0.1 millimeters to ensure a perfect fit in the tin.
The secret recipe. Industrial mixers create the high viscosity sauces that characterize premium sardines.
Permanent branding. The logo is embossed directly into the aluminum lid for a premium look.
The speed of industry. In the time it takes to blink, 100 cans have been filled and sealed.
perfect weight. Automated rejection systems maintain the integrity of the brand's promise.
Sustainability. Waste heat is recycled to preheat the cleaning water for the entire factory.
Massive inventory. The global supply of sardines is managed by AI-controlled logistics.
Structural verification. 30 images per can are analyzed by AI to detect even the smallest seam defect.
Extreme durability. These cans are built to survive global transport and years of storage.
Nutrient powerhouse. Low in the food chain, high in health benefits. The ultimate sustainable seafood.
Feeding the world. Sardines are a vital source of protein for millions of people globally.
The harvest never stops. In peak season, the plant runs 24/7 to process the ocean's bounty.
Status is green across the board. Just keep an eye on the pressure regulators in Sector 4.
From the silver depths to the global table. A journey of pure industrial flow. Extreme engineering. Pure precision. This is Harvest Motion.